Hello, my sisters and brothers. My name is Prossy. I'm a Ugandan. I live at Matuga here in Uganda. Um, I met a man on a dating site after introductions. We dated for a month and later he came to Uganda. We went to the URSB and got married from there. So after some time, I got pregnant. And then when I reached 3 months pregnant, he had to go back to Germany. He's a German citizen by names of Lestin Uwe. So he told me he's going to Germany to prepare for us, to organize for us. He wants me to deliver from Germany, not in Uganda. So I told him it's okay. So he had to sell things in the house. Mama, he had to sell things in the house. He told me to borrow some money from my friends and I add him. He had to also add his money. We went together, that side of Acacia. We had to exchange the rate, like from Ugandan shillings to euros, because he's going to prepare for us, as he said. Within a few weeks we shall be joining him there. So I had to escort him to the airport. He went to Germany. He flew out of the country. So I had to wait for his contact from there. I waited and waited. I had to contact him by emails. There was no response. He kept quiet completely. And so I later gave birth at Kawempe Hospital. I was operated. Actually, I was operated. So after like a month, he contacted me and told me, I guess by this time you have delivered, and I think it's a baby girl. Then I told him, yes, but we don't have support. I sent him the pictures for the baby because he requested for them. Told me, oh, my child, this is a beautiful child. I know she's my child. I told him, now, how about the support? He said, this is my child. He pretended, and then he went off. He never turned back. He went and kept quiet completely. Mama? Oh, come. So he went and kept quiet completely. And then just of recent, in September, he had to come back still to check how old is the baby and how does the baby look like, you know. I miss my child. I want to see my child. I told him, but you don't support us. Why? Of course, as a person with a good heart, I shared the pictures of the daughter with him. Then he called the video. He saw the baby. So after seeing the baby, yeah, my child, he went off. So this man does not care. He doesn't support my child. So I call upon people who can help me with the, if someone knows anyone at the German embassy. At the German embassy, I need my child to get justice. I need justice for Brianna. My daughter is called Brianna Lestin. So I need her to get justice. Anyone who can help me to find this man, and maybe he can support my child. And anyone who can help me with a job. I don't have a job. My baby doesn't have anything: clothing, accommodations, food. This place where I live, I was just helped by a good Samaritan, and this person soon wants his house. He wants to put a tenant in, so I don't know where to go. So I'm requesting for anyone that can help me in any way. Please help me, help Brianna. I'll be very, very grateful. My number is 0743 638192. 0743 638192. And anything you can help us with, we shall be very grateful, me and Brianna. Anything: accommodation, clothing, shoes for baby, help us with maybe take us to German embassy, and we see how we can see that Brianna gets justice. In any way, any help, we shall be very grateful. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Yeah.